In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear certificates in Microsoft Edge. First, let's begin by opening Microsoft Edge. You can do this by clicking on its icon in your taskbar or searching for it in your Start menu. Once the browser is open, you will see your usual homepage or the last tabs you visited. This is the starting point for our task today. Opening Microsoft Edge is essential because it allows us to access the settings that manage your certificates. Remember, keeping your browser up to date is important for security and performance. Next, we need to click on the three dots, also known as Settings and More, located in the upper right corner of the browser window. When you click on these dots, a drop-down menu appears with various options. Among these, you will see the word Settings. Selecting this option takes you to a page where you can adjust all sorts of preferences for your Edge browser. This step is crucial because navigating to Settings is the gateway to managing your certificates. From there, navigate to the Privacy, Search, and Services section on the left sidebar. This area allows you to control your privacy settings and manage how your data is handled while using Edge. Once you are in this section, scroll down until you reach the Security subsection. This is where you will find the security settings that relate to your browsing experience. Understanding these settings is important for a secure online experience, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available. Now, click on Security. This section is specifically designed to help you manage security-related settings in Edge. You will see various options related to security, including options for certificates. By focusing on security, you ensure that your browsing remains safe and secure. This step is necessary because it directs you to the area where you can manage certificates effectively. Next up, look for the option that says Manage Certificates and click on it. This action opens the Windows Certificate Manager, which is a separate interface where all your certificates are listed. The Windows Certificate Manager is a vital tool because it allows you to see all the certificates installed on your system. You will appreciate this feature as it gives you control over what certificates are active. Once the Certificate Manager is open, you need to select the certificate store you wish to manage. For example, you might choose the Personal Store, which contains certificates related to your user account. Selecting the right store is important because it ensures you are working with the correct set of certificates. After selecting the store, you will see a list of certificates available within that category. Now, find and select the certificate you want to remove. This requires you to carefully look through the list to identify the specific certificate you wish to delete. Selecting the correct certificate is crucial because removing the wrong one can cause issues with your browsing experience. Take your time with this step to ensure accuracy and confidence in your selection. After you have selected the certificate, click on Remove or Delete. This action initiates the removal process of the chosen certificate. You will often receive a prompt that may ask for confirmation of this action. This step is significant because it allows you to proceed with the deletion, ensuring that you are making an informed choice. Finally, confirm the deletion when prompted. This confirmation solidifies your decision to remove the certificate from your system. You will see a message indicating that the certificate has been successfully deleted. Completing this step ensures that your changes are saved and you'll have a cleaner certificate store moving forward. By following these steps, you have successfully cleared unwanted certificates from Microsoft Edge. Doing this regularly can help maintain your browser's performance and security. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel more confident managing your browser settings.